Too hot to garden? Come with me to tour the indoor space of a favorite nursery of mine.
I don't know a lot about indoor plants. I'm usually outside in the garden, but I just think this is the most charming little garden center if you want to come shopping for indoor plants. I'll span over here and you can see what they have along the window. Lots to choose from. On this side as well. Try not to go too fast. And we come around here. They have some gorgeous wind chimes. These are cute. Some little planter heads, terrariums. And they have the back of the old vehicle set up with garden plants. Over here they have some really pretty orchids, some more little garden art, cute little ladybugs. And I'll take you back over in a little bit. See, they have some nice pottery too in another area, but they have some incorporated in here. Lots to choose from if you're an indoor plant lover. Over here are some more plants. Let's see if there's a price on one of them. These are Monrovia, $26. Bright indirect light. They all look so lush and green. More garden art. Pretty fancy. One dog looks like he's $55. That's not bad. More garden art over here. I like this butterfly. Very rustic looking, $35. Here's some smaller pieces. Again, the very rustic looking. I always am drawn towards the little birds. Little fairies, suns. Oh, I have a friend who loves mushrooms. Some little garden stakes that you can put out in the garden or in your pots, planters. Lots of air plants. Oh, these are cute little metal mushrooms. Quite a few mosaic stepping stones, although I don't know if I'd want to put that out to step on it. They're too pretty. Ooh, I like this dark colored one. This little area is all for the fairy garden lovers. You have lots of plants to choose from. They have so many unique things hanging everywhere. So here you can come over to the storybook corner and find all your little fairy garden treasures to create your own fairy garden. They also have a lot of pottery if you're looking for some unique pottery for your yard or home patio. This large white low profile, $75. They have lots of colors. Oh, these are new. These weren't here the last time I was here. I'm gonna get back to the pottery. Sorry, I got a little sidetracked over here. Little sun catchers. They're in a globe style. I don't know if there's a price on these. These are $48. Very pretty sun catchers. I got a whole wall of them. Isn't that gorgeous? Water feature. And they have in here also some rustic style planters, if you like that look. I think I am in love with this bathtub looking one. I have to check this out. Looks like there's 3 different sizes. The smallest is 150. And they have some rustic buckets, watering cans. It's such a charming little place to come visit. So over here, like I said, they have a lot of pottery. Let me back it up here so you can see all the pottery to choose from. We'll try to scan by a few prices so you can see what the price points are here. They have some water features. Saucers that match, which is always nice to have. I mean, look at that, a sea of pottery. You got lots to choose from and pick your favorite colors. This is a water feature, which this is a new one for me. I haven't seen this before. They have lots of different unique metal work around here too. Come through the cute little gates, invites you into the terracotta world of pottery. Look at it all. Let me see, let me go up to a few so again you get some price points. $75 for this low profile but large pot. $50 for another low profile, probably a medium size. I like this style of pot right here. Let's see what the price is. Those are $65. These are very nice, good price point. Terracotta. Here I'm looking back at the rest of them. look at, I just have to show you up in the ceiling and everything. Everything is has so much character. It's just a fun place to come shopping. All the corrugated metal walls. And I will take you down the hall to a few places. Again, the stores are not open, or the little shops. They recently opened a brewery, and they do have live band events. Go up this little ramp, and in there is this adorable little shop, which lots of fun things. I'll have to come back and go through if you guys are interested to see what it's like. But again, check out all the character, all the fun things. It just is so quaint to come in here and shop. That one's $2.95. Downstairs is not someplace that the customers go, but isn't this cool? The metal stair railing. And there's an employee down there dodging me. Check it out. Isn't that, it's just cool looking in here. It's so charming and fun. Back here they have silk flowers that are extremely real, and look, the cute little gates that invite you in. And I believe, let me find the name on one of these. These paintings are created to where you can put them outside and they're protected and waterproof. How cool is that, that you can put something like this outside, outdoor art or indoor, and it's protected from the elements of the weather. This size picture, they look like they all range about $95. Then there's larger ones. These large, long ones that are rectangular are $195. More gorgeous silks through here. I don't know if you see any artwork that might intrigue you to come and buy to hang at your house or on your patio. Again, all the character that this place has, it just amazes me. I'm going to try to focus and go down the left, and then I'll come back and show you the other side. Here's a piece of garden art for you. This is the brewery, where they have live bands, if you can see up on the stage there. And then if you walk back here, I don't even think the brewery was open when I came, so it's been a little bit. Over on that wall, you can walk along and read all the history for the Loomis Fruit Growers Association. That's a fun wall to visit and read through. And these are created to look like little buildings within a building. And this one they make wood pieces. Looks like we got a redwood Adirondack chair. I want to go in here and show you a couple things real quick. Picnic tables, a potting bench, some planter boxes, and check out this. This is their version of a strawberry tower that you can fill with dirt. That's unique. A redwood arch. Looks like the store got some new merchandise that they're working on. Oh my gosh, look at the chandelier. They got lots of fun stuff in there. Lots of goodies came in.
Yes, trying to get them all done. How are you doing?
Good, thank you.
Good.
There's another view of the store inside. An old rustic, I guess it'd be a washing machine. Aren't we fortunate that we don't have things like that to do our laundry anymore? It's got little rooms.
I hope you enjoy the indoor tour. The outdoor nursery tour is coming soon.